searching for the reason.
Welcome to day 23 of the February Follies. Ooh. Multiple ring 2-color swirl. Okay. For today's adventure, we have a 2-color ring swirl thing. Haven't done one of these in a long time. I've never done one just as a standalone. Always used it for a background. So this could be interesting. And for our colors, I have Amsterdam Titanium White, Amsterdam Onyx Black. They are of similar consistencies. So let's just get with it. I'm gonna layer all 4 of these little cups. I'm just gonna kind of cover the bottoms. Because I think I'm only gonna make 4 little rings.
In need of the rhymes, always feeling like I'm the one out of time.
The 2 emptiest ones are the 2 end ones, so I'm just going to put a little dab of white on top of those.
Moving round in circles.
I'm just going to do 4 rings, which are much easier done with a cup that's not full. Make you a little spouty spout. I may or may not use all the paint in these cups. I think I probably won't, but we'll see.
Feeling like I've lost my way. And then suddenly, here you are.
Not real worried about the neatness of them because, as I said, they are going to be swirled.
And now I'm falling slowly into you, not knowing what we will find, or what a future might hide. I'm falling slowly.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll let those even out just a little. Actually going to torch them too. We've seen some bubbles coming up there. Now I'm going to, as you see, I've got half painted black. The other half is painted white. It's kind of hard to see white on white. So let's move these over. I'm going to pour around with the white on this side.
Out of my mind. Trying to see clearly.
Really could have put that in something small. It would have been so much easier to control. Black on this side.
Picking up the pieces of my heart. Let us turn the page, a brand new start. Keep moving on.
Spread this around a little.
Cause I'm falling slowly.
I guess the question now becomes, what other mischief can I get up to? I have a marble. Should I? Sure, why not? Famous last words.
Into you, not knowing what we will find or what a future might hide. But I wanna tell you, we'll be okay if you stay. Seasons change outside the window. Winter's turning.
Okay. Let's get that out of the way. Always wipe your marble off right away, especially if you're using ball bearings, because they will get rusty. Get back over there. Okay, because we didn't have the marble go through up here, I'm just going to do it with a little palette knife. Just for continuity. Will we even see that? I don't know. All right, so we've got that. We'll move this around a little.
Into spring. Now the sky is clear, and I just wanna hear you say, slowly into you, not knowing what we will find or what a future might hide. Falling slowly into you, can't get you.
That's what I was looking for. I want that leading edge. That's the swirl part.
Out of my mind, and I hope that will be just fine.
Okay. Now it is time to start tilting in earnest. I want my paint sort of back in the middle, sort of. believe I'm done. I like it. I think it's cool. It's very, 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 very monochromatic. And that's what you expect when you use two colors, right? Right. I think it's pretty cool. Got some interesting things going on with the paint. Let me clean this up a little bit and I'll turn you around and we'll take a look. Okay, here are our wet results. I think this turned out pretty cool. Not exactly like I saw in my head, but pretty friggin' close. We've got all kinds of lines. We've got some weird little like air bubbly places that came up. That was because in our ring pour, there were air bubbles in the black, and when you popped them, you get white, and vice versa. This area got kind of strange right here. I'm not sure why that happened, but I'm not upset about it. I think it's cool. It adds some character. We've got some little black spots that came up in the white. That's probably where there was a white ring on the outside and had bubbles, and when the bubbles popped, you see the black. We have some interesting little like galactic rings happening in there with some interesting white bubbles. I think this is pretty cool for something that I kind of came up with on the fly. Now, always before when I've done multiple rings and then swirled them, it's literally covered the whole canvas. They've all been rings. You've had no negative space. I like the negative space aspect of it. I think that is pretty cool, being, you know, black on one side and white on the other. What do you think? Do you think this is something that is fun or just sort of dumb? Do let me know. We're not going to go sparkly hunting because there is nothing sparkly in here. Nothing. Zero. Zilcho. So I'll give you a little closer up view from the bottom to the top. And I'd like to thank you for coming and joining me today. As always, I appreciate every one of you. I've been having so much fun painting for this challenge. The painting has been a blast. The editing and uploading, maybe not so much. Oh, I have a dog going Looney Tunes upstairs. Yay. That means I need to go. That's my calling card. There you go. Have a great day, y'all. See you tomorrow. Bye.